Mo kí gbogbo wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, and as always, it's been a while that we've been out again, but when we come out, it's always the beautiful view, the economy, the security, the tourism, everything is mixed match. And this is Koiki Media, as we always say, odigba tí ẹ bá mọ̀ tán pè ní freedom, kẹ́ tó lè understand the reason why a lot of us are saying we should get the hell out of what is known as Nigeria today. Nigeria is a crime scene, and don't expect it to work anytime soon. Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá, inú mi á dùn tó bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo yín bá lè gba visa láti wá sí England àbí Scotland àbí Ireland àbí láti lọ sí South Africa. Kẹ́ mọ̀ tán pè ní freedom. Freedom ni pé kò ní freedom of speech, freedom of movement, tí kò ní sí subjugation, tí kò ní sí nepotism. And all these are the reason why a lot of us are saying, let's get the hell out of the mess tí Britain create sínú Nigeria. Mess yẹn òun ló ń yọ wá lẹ́nu. Tá bá ti lè yọ mess yẹn kúrò kíákíá láìpẹ́ láì jìnà, ayé ọmọ Yorùbá àti ìran ọmọ Yorùbá gbogbo ẹ̀ máa ṣiṣẹ́, a máa lọ bó ṣe jẹ́ kó lọ létòlétò. But nígbà tẹ́ bá ní ká má kúrò, a jẹ́ pé ìran ọmọ Yorùbá inú oko ẹrú la fi wà nìyẹn. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.